What's the worst reason you hooked up with someone? We both had the same name and thought it would be fun to call out our names in the heat of it. At first, it was playful, like a sexy identity crisis. It felt less like passion and more like a motivational chant. At one point, we sounded like two narcissists cheering ourselves on. I half expected a mirror to appear and yell back, "You're doing great, sweetie!" Things reached a weird climax when we both shouted, "Oh name, you're amazing," at the same time. It was either hot or deeply unsettling. I still can't decide. Honestly, 10/10ths would confuse my identity for pleasure again.